Hi there. I'm not a huge fan of watermelon juice personally. I prefer to eat my melon, but my husband is a big fan of mono watermelon, so I do tend to make it quite a bit at home. Anyway, watermelon is the obvious choice for the red theme, but I wanted to mix it up a bit, so I found this recipe in one of my books and gave it a whirl. The recipe is for half a watermelon with 2 peaches, but I use nectarines instead, and the seeds of half a pomegranate. I've never juiced pomegranate seeds before, so I did that with the nectarines first to see what it was like before mixing it with the melon. It was actually pretty good, although you don't get much juice from soft fruits, so I do wonder if it's worth the effort. Soft fruits are often better blended into drinks rather than juiced, and even better if you freeze them first. I'm so sorry that my resting bitch face seems to have set in at some point during this video. I really wasn't as fed up as I look. Anyway, watermelon and peach are both diuretic and help to cleanse the digestive tract, so can be useful in weight loss. By drinking this juice, you'll also be getting B vitamins, beta-carotene, folic acid, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium and bioflavanoids. Not too shabby for quite a simple juice. In my opinion, the additions to the watermelon were positive and made for a more complex, dare I say, sophisticated drink. Hope you like it, let me know how you get on, and I'd love to hear if you have any other recipes with watermelon.